Hi. My name is Robert. I am here today because I have been telling, to a lot of friends, about this new product that just changed my life. All those friends were saying that I needed to record a video to spread my experience to more and more people. So here I am. I hope that this video help you, like it helped me and all my friends. So, I am here to tell you about my experience with Ocuprime. It is a supplement that support vision health. A blend of 24 powerful ingredients that were carefully selected by Dr. Dan Trout from Nature. Since I was young, I knew I had poor vision. Ocuprime just changed the way I thought about vision supplements. I have tried many others before Ocuprime, but none had worked as great as Ocuprime did. Now I can say that my vision is great, and I do not change Ocuprime for any other product in the market. It is life-changing, trust me. But before actually buying the product, I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Ocuprime is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Ocuprime from, because Ocuprime is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below, in the description of this video. This is really important. As I said before, after I got to know Ocuprime, I haven't changed Ocuprime for any other product available in the market. But if you buy it from the wrong website, you won't see the results I am telling you in this review. So what is Ocuprime and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Ocuprime works. After many laboratory tests, Dr. Dan Trout identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help you to support vision health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Ocuprime, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Ocuprime for 60 days. And if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Ocuprime to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. It will only take you 20 seconds to have your daily amount of Ocuprime, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Mine results came after 2 months using Ocuprime. Also important for you to know, Ocuprime has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Ocuprime from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person, because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you. And I also hope that Ocuprime actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.